Welcome to the BookAMed IELTS series. In this video, we are excited to introduce you to a valuable resource designed by IELTS to enhance your preparation, the IELTS Masterclass. Let's explore. What is the IELTS Masterclass? The IELTS Masterclass is a series of free seminars conducted by IELTS experts. These seminars encompass all four components of the IELTS test: reading, writing, speaking, and listening. What does it offer? During the masterclass, you will have the opportunity to engage in live Q&A sessions with IELTS experts. You can seek clarifications and gain insights directly from the experts. In addition, you will receive a comprehensive booklet filled with valuable tips and advice for each section of the test. You will also gain access to writing response samples that include examiner band scores and comments on performance. Can you book an IELTS masterclass? Absolutely. Here is how you can do it. Visit the IELTS IDP website, where updates on scheduled webinars are available. Depending on availability, you can choose to attend the masterclass as a webinar or as a face-to-face seminar. For health and social care jobs, send us your CV to cv@bookamed.com and we will call you.